In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a page break in Google Docs. This is a handy feature that can help organize your documents by allowing you to start new sections on a fresh page without manually pressing the Enter key multiple times. Whether you're drafting a research paper, organizing a report, or just want to tidy up a lengthy document, inserting a page break can make a world of difference in keeping your content neat and professional. To get started, open your preferred web browser and go to Google Docs. If you're not sure how to get there, simply type Google Docs into your search engine and click on the link to access the platform. Once you've reached the Google Docs homepage, you'll see a list of your documents or templates you can start with. Select the document where you want to insert the page break. If you need to create a new document, you can do so by clicking on the plus sign to start a fresh one. Now that you have your document open, navigate to the top menu bar. You'll see various options such as File, Edit, and View. We're going to focus on the Insert option, which is usually located towards the left of the menu. Click on Insert, and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu contains various elements you can add to your document, such as images, tables, and of course, breaks. Hover over the Break option in this drop-down menu. You'll notice that Google Docs provides several types of breaks. For this tutorial, select the Page Break option. By clicking on it, Google Docs will automatically move any content following the cursor to a new page. This is a quick and efficient way to manage page organization, especially in lengthy documents. One important thing to note is that insert